Lrhc is probably one of the worst stocks in the history of the stock market, and you need to be getting out of it immediately. Now, if you're holding, you need to watch this video because I'm going to be telling you guys why so, and I'm also going to be telling you guys exactly at what levels can you actually go ahead and cut your losses from before it's too late. So without further ado, let's get into it. Today's video is going to have three main segments: the why, the what, the where. The stock was up 87% in the regular market hours and then dumped 25% in the after hours. But why? What happened, right? Let's get breaking it down. So the company announced some major news regarding their earnings of the first half of 2025, which is amazing if you're stupid and don't understand that the stock is on the company and the company's on the stock. What do you mean by that? Okay, well, the company had amazing news. Amazing. But what does this really mean for the stock, right? And I think that so many people don't really understand that there are certain things that can affect the company positively, that can affect the stock negatively, and that can affect the stock negatively and can affect the company positively. Let me give you an example of one. So a shares buyback. A shares buyback hurts the company, but it blesses the stock because it goes ahead and, reduces the supply of the stock in the markets, right? On the other hand, dilution, an offering. What does it do? Helps the company, raises the money, but guess what? Destroys the freaking stock. So this company coming out and saying, oh, we have good earnings. Let's look at what the stock's been up to. Hog garbage, pump dump, pump dump, pump dump, pump dump, over and over and over again. Pump dump, pump dump, pump dump, pump dump. Over and over and over again. Now, is it going to give us another pump? Yeah, but it will first sell off to 10 cents before it gives us another pump. Okay? 8 cents. It will first sell off to 8 cents, 6 cents, maybe even 5 cents before it gives us another pump. That's the reality of the matter. Let's look at the company's numbers. They have about 3 months of cash left on hand. $3.7 million in the bank. 3.5 million burning every single 3 months. They got 3 months of cash. They're broke. See the sign behind me? It's about Lrhc. Okay? Now, let's talk about dilution. Historically massive. Right now their cash need is massive. Their overhead supply is also okay. It's okay, as in there's a lot still. Okay? They have about 60 million shares. They have about 80 million at the market offerings. And they have about 720K worth of warrants and 200K worth of convertible notes. Not good. Not good, my friends. 0.6 institutional ownership. Let's start ranking this. Volatility, amazing. Breaking news, okay. Cash, bad. Institutional ownership, terrible. Shorts, we'll talk about the shorts. Likelihood of dilution, also bad. Because they don't have money. Historically, they've diluted a lot. It's not looking good. Now, luckily for you guys, tomorrow morning or Monday morning, it might pump and test 15 cents again. Okay? I would start selling at 13. It's below the VWAP. I mean, the chart looks ugly. What's there for me to say? Like, what do you guys want me to say? Oh, it's amazing. And again, remember, nothing I say is financial advice. Nothing I say is financial advice. Okay? And I could be wrong. I've been wrong before. I could easily be wrong. When it comes to my projections, I could always be wrong. Remember that. Because at the end of the day, it's all a game of probabilities. It is all a game of probabilities. That's all it is. And look, let me show you guys my win-loss percentage. I have an 82% win rate. Okay? This is after 500 trades, an 82% win rate. With an 80% win rate, that means I have a 20% lose rate. With a 20% lose rate, there are 250 trading days in the market. With a 20% lose rate, that means there are 50 days that I'm wrong. There are 50 days that I'm losing money. Mind you, this is after 500 trades, I have an 82% win rate. A lot of your gurus, you know what they do? They go ahead and they do this. They say, look at my last month performance. Oh my goodness, a 91% win rate? I have a 91% win rate. Yeah, you have a 90% win rate 50% of the time. Bring me a guru that can show you, hey, after 500 trades, I have an 82% win rate. June, 1 red day. July or May, 3 red days. April, no red days. March, 1 red day. They can't. They can't. They can't do it. If you bring me one, I'll shake their hand and say, hey, thank you. Thank you for being a real trader. Thank you. Thank you. But remember, I could be wrong. 20% of the time I'm wrong. So I could be wrong about Lrhc. Okay? That's it. With that said, my friends, if you guys want to tap in to this 82% win rate, check out our community. It's 4th of July. We have a 4th of July sale for you guys. 50% discount for the next 10 people that join. We are the only community that offers it. What's happening here? We're the only community that offers a 7-day free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee. Give it a shot. Give it a shot. Okay? If you make money, come back for more. If you don't make money, pack your bags and leave and never ever come back again. 77% returns in a month. 13K. Maybe pause it and read some of these. Okay? Maybe pause it and read some of these. See if you like what you're seeing. 51K off of SMCI. Bought 30,000. What is happening here? I don't know, but so glad I joined this Discord. Thank you, brother. We have day trading, swing trading, options trading. You name it, we got it. Give it a shot. The link is in the comment section in the description. And that's all, okay? I wish you guys the best of luck, man, whether it's in trading or of their life. Thank you for watching. Happy investing in trading. With that said, your boy Sam from Top Academy.